Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So today I am making s'mores brownies. So as you can see, I have my brownie mix in the bowl. Yes, I'm cheating and using a box mix. So today I am using Betty Crocker's milk chocolate brownie mix, and I'm going to make it according to the package directions to start with. So I'm adding 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of water, and a half a cup of vegetable oil, or actually I'm using canola oil because that's what I had on hand, but either will work fine. And give that all a whisk. So we get everything nice and moistened and combined. Here is our batter. It is looking yummy already. And we are going to add some chocolate chips. I'm using milk chocolate chips today, and we're going to go ahead and fold those in. There's no such thing as too much chocolate. At least in my opinion, anyway. Alright. We're looking good. Alright, so we are ready to put our batter in our pan. I'm using a 13 by 9 inch pan today because I'm going to be adding extra ingredients. And it's nice and greased so nothing will stick, and we're going to go ahead and add in our batter. Spread it into a nice even layer. Alright, there it is in the pan, ready for the oven. Now you may be thinking, how is it s'mores without marshmallows and graham crackers? But not to worry, those will come a little bit later. I just want to get it started baking before we do the topping. So I have my oven preheated to 350, and I'm going to start with half of the total bake time, so about 12 minutes, just to get it part of the way baked through before we begin to add marshmallows and all of that goodies. Alright, so here it is, about halfway done, and we're going to do the topping. So I have some mini marshmallows, a nice layer of those. And then we're going to add some crushed graham crackers. And finish it off with a few more chocolate chips. Alright, doesn't that look yummy? So we're going to put that back in the oven for a few more minutes. Let it finish baking through and everything get nice and melty, and we'll see you then. So here it is, just out of the oven. I left it in for another 12-13 minutes, and it is looking yummy, nice and melty. The marshmallows are a little golden brown, which is just what you're looking for. And we're going to let it sit here and cool for a few minutes, and then we'll cut it open. So I've left it to cool for a few minutes, and now we're going to cut out a nice piece. Onto a plate. And there it is, looking yummy. All marshmallow and chocolatey. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys.